Hey, I'm Eric. Welcome to Find Pigtails. And today I want to show you a few things on our website you might not know we have on there. The common question we always get from people is, do you sell or do you provide catalogs? We do, however, online. And if you go to our website, you'll notice that there might not be an option, but here is one way. Type in the URL findpigtails.com/catalog. It will populate with a page that will show you an online catalog. Once you're there, hit that, and you can flip through probably about 100 of the most common connectors that we sell. These are usually going to be the ones that you're going to see most of the time and will be using. Now from this screen, you can see there's a few options. You could share it, you could zoom, and you can also download it. If you want a downloadable copy, just put in your name and your email address, and it'll download directly to your computer. And then you can print it out, make more copies, give some to your friends. That will provide you with a pigtail catalog. Position statements. Common question we get, OEM position statements for wire repair. We actually have that labeled under resources, position statements. We have it for harness repair. Click on position statements and it will bring you to another option as well, pre-post scanning. So we have the wire harness repair, which we've talked about before, but we also have the OEM position statements for pre and post scanning. For example, and it's broken down by manufacturer. If I click on the Ford one, as of 2018, we have the official statement from Ford as far as the protocol for their position statement on pre and post scan. Another option we have that's not on the homepage is underneath connector search. You could search by VIN number. If you type in any VIN number of a vehicle that you're working on and you copy and paste it within this search bar for VIN, it will populate with every single connector associated with that vehicle. And the most recent thing, clips, fasteners, bulbs, and sockets. We do now sell these on the website. You can go underneath accessories and you'll find it there, and you could search by category and purchase by category, and you can go to cable ties, cable straps, and you can click on it and buy it, and it's going to be the same functionality as our website for pigtails and connectors. Another thing is going to be our videos page. This videos page is going to house everything that we put on YouTube. If you need anything regarding repairs, depinning, repinning, how to utilize the app, how to find connectors fast, it will be on our videos page. Mobile app. We talked about the mobile app before. If you want to download it, you can download it directly from the mobile app page, findpigtails.com/app. And you can download it directly from the Apple Store or Google Play Store, depending on if you're iPhone or Android. Or you can simply scan this QR code with your mobile device and it will automatically guide you to how you can download it. And then one more cool thing is we have tons of customers we're grateful for who've written reviews. You could see our wall of fame of all of the customers who've given us reviews, 5-star reviews. I could just scroll down this list further and further, and you'll be able to see all of our customers and what they say about us. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, please hit that subscribe button.